Hello, fellow crafters. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, on to the video.
Hello everyone. Today's video is of I'm doing an unboxing of an order that I received from A to Z Crafty Shop, aka Tampa BBQ Queens. I placed this order a little while ago, and once I received it, I just haven't had time to do the unboxing, so I'm finally getting around to doing it. Okay, so first what we have here, and I love the packaging because pink is one of my favorite colors along with brown, but the first item that we have here is some peach lip gloss, and this was one of the gifts, one of the many gifts that she included in my package. I feel like I owe her some more money because she sent me so much stuff, but these are lip glosses. It's Cloud 9, Just Peachy, and the other one is the Forest. Okay, so that was a gift. And then here's some crushed glass, and these are sample colors that she has. So I really love the blue color that she sent. It's so pretty. That one is that's gorgeous. I'm gonna have to find something to do with that. And she sent all these sample packs. So there's blue, green. One is kind of not maroon, but it's in that family. And then that's a mixed color. And then there's just a plain clear crushed glass. And then the next item that we have is going to be the black, and I absolutely love this black crushed glass, and I already have something in mind to do with this, but again, this is another surprise that she sent me. I mean, she sent so many gifts. And here's some clear another bag of clear crushed glass. Okay, and so we're digging in there because there's a lot more stuff in there. So this is one of the items that I did order. I ordered the silver crushed glass and gold crushed glass, and she did not disappoint. I am in love with these colors. Still haven't decided which color I'm going to use for the project that I ordered it for, but we'll see, and you'll see the project once I complete it. So with my order, there's another clear crushed glass, which that was another gift. So I'm telling you, I feel like I owe her. So there's another silver. So in my order, I received 3 silver bags of crushed glass and then 3 gold bags of crushed glass. And when I ordered, she had a special going on. I'm not sure if she still has that special, but you can check her website, a2zcraftyshop.com. and you can send her a message also through her website, or check her out on her YouTube channel, and that's Tampa BBQ Queens here on YouTube. Okay, so that's my order right there, and here is some more goodies that she sent me. I guess I want to show you my order again. I'm in love with it though. That gold is gorgeous. So here's some other items that she sent me, which is 2 containers to hold my crushed glass, and there's more lip gloss, and I'll take this out of the package later on in the video. And now this is another gift, another goodie that she sent me. So this is rose essential oil, and when I say this stuff smells so good, it smells so good. I was like, yes, I need to order some of this because it smells so good. And then yeah, I'm going to show you all this essential oil probably about 3 or 4 times because I love the scent. Okay, so now what we have here, this is another part of my order. I ordered some of her hair oil, and I got 3 bottles of it. So that's what I'm going to be opening here, is the 3 bottles of hair oil. See, I'm showing you the oil again. It's like You have to get this because, yeah, it smells so good. I'm telling you, get it. It smells so good. Here's another bottle of hair oil. I love the packaging. I mean, I'm in love with it. And then here's the third bottle of hair growth oil. Love it. And I haven't used the hair oil yet, but I will probably update it, a little later once I start using it. But here is her QR code to her YouTube channel, and that's Tampa BBQ Queens here on YouTube. And you may be able to go ahead and scan that QR code. And this is her shop, A to Z Crafty Shop, and her website is a2zcraftyshop.com. I'm telling you, I showed y'all this oil a couple of times because it smells so good. It smells so good. And then in the essential oil, she has I think it's quartz or something in there, and I believe it's a rose petal in there, and there's some other kind of crystal in it. So yeah, love it. And this is her paper, and I have to remember to insert a picture of the paper. Okay, and along with her paper, she sent a print, a sublimation print. So I haven't done that print yet, but I do plan on doing it. And I'm probably just gonna put it on a towel or something. We'll see what I end up putting it on. Okay, so yeah, 2 containers. I ordered 3 bags of the gold and 3 bags of the silver. And then all of the other stuff is goodies that she actually sent me, and I was overjoyed, overwhelmed, feeling like I underpaid, but I'm thankful. And the other lip gloss, I believe it's Cloud 9. What's the other one? It's Cloud 9, the Forest, and then there's a peppermint. I can't recall the name of it. It's a peppermint one. So yeah. So all of these goodies, everything here, and I love every single thing about it. I love it all. I'm telling you, this oil, I can't stop showing it. Get you some of this oil. It smells so good. Thank you, Tampa. I love my stuff. I couldn't be happier. And here is her QR code one more time. Sorry, y'all. And her shop is A to Z Crafty Shop. Okay, so now on to the next unboxing, packaging. I received these from Shandy Cheek. She had game night on her channel for her birthday celebration. So she sent me some gifts. And the first item that I received is an item called Smell Out. So it's a spray that, gets the smell out. I'm assuming like smoking or any type of smell that you want to get out that's a strong odor. I do believe that this is what this spray is for. However, you can contact her for more information on that. She has a channel here on YouTube, Just Right Essentials, and she has another channel, Shandy Cheek. And she also has a website, justrightessential.com, so you can contact her for more information on this if you so desire. Okay, and don't worry about my hands, you guys. I have like contact cement all over them. My nails looking rough. Everything was looking rough, but I was getting my nails done the next day, so I wasn't too worried about it. But yeah, hands ashy, contact cement all over the place. But anywho, back to the unboxing. I just wanted to put that out there. But so this is the item that I chose, the Black Lives Matter earrings in yellow. She does offer these in different colors, but I thought the yellow was very pretty, so I chose the yellow. She shipped it. It came very fast. Okay, and if you have, any questions about anything, you want to see all of the different types of things that she offers, sells, please do check out her website, justrightessentials.com. It's justrightessentials.com. Justrightessentials.com. And thank you, Shandy. I'm in love with the earrings. I haven't used the smell out yet. But I may need it, or my sister may need it. But oh yeah, and I want to put some oil on my hands because they were very edgy. So, but yeah, here's her card, and the card has all of her contact information, but it does not have her website on there. But I just gave it to you. So yeah, I really love my earrings. Thank you, Shandy.